What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to be making nachos. Okay, so for this, what you're going to need, oh, by the way, I came up with this idea because I have some tortilla chips left over from, we made not nachos but the hamburger meat and all of that stuff. So what you're going to need for this, to make it spicy, you're going to need some sriracha hot sauce and a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm just going to show you the entire jar. You're going to need your tortilla chips and your Velveeta cheese. I have the block, but you can also use shredded or slices. You're going to need what you're going to put in the microwave. And you're going to need your little cooking chopping board, but I'm gonna use a plate because it's all the way on top shelf and I'm not gonna climb up and get it. So and lastly, you're going to need a knife, a butter knife or a hard knife. If you're using slice, a butter knife, like little slices of cheese, a butter knife would be better, but I'm using block, so you would need a sharper knife. If you are under the age of 12 or you're not allowed to use knives, make sure a parent is with you doing this. Okay, so first we're going to take out our cheese. Okay. And you're going to take off some of the foil wrapping and lay it down. Put that in the trash. And now you're going to cut how much you would want. And like I said, since I'm using block, you're going to want to be really, really careful on where you cut, especially because you're using a sharper knife. Okay. This is good enough. You should have 2 of this. See how small it is? You should have 2 of that because you're going to be cutting into smaller pieces. It's a little messed up, but it's okay. And every time you cut a little piece, you're just going to want to stick it right inside your bowl. Oh, I forgot one step. You need your tortilla chips. And you're going to want to pour your tortilla chips inside of your bowl or your plate that you're going to pop into the microwave. Okay, and now you're just going to want to put it right on top. You can cut little slices and then just break it up over the nachos. Okay, guys, and then with your hand, you're just going to want to mix it up. Okay. And then once you're done with that, you can pop it in the mic. Actually, I also forgot because I just remembered we have cayenne pepper, so you gotta do this before. I'm just gonna want to sprinkle some cayenne pepper on the top of it. And then a little bit of sriracha sauce. But make sure with the sriracha sauce, you only do it on top of the cheese. Open! And do not pour too much because this is really, really hot. So a little dot on your pieces of cheese is good. Okie doke. I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for a minute to a minute and 30 seconds. It's so hot. And yeah, we'll be back when it's done. See you later. We're back. Time is up. And let's taste it. Let's take the tiniest piece right here. Tiny, tiny. And oh my god, do you guys see this? This is so good. But it's a little bit cold. It's melted but a little cold, so I'm gonna put it back in. It is so delicious. Make sure to try this. Thanks you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and do all that good stuff. Bye now.